Hi, it's Adrian from Advanced Dental Artistry here in West Perth. I'd like to talk to you today about the all-on-4 bridge, and this is actually a really important topic because the all-on-4 bridge is really replacing all of the teeth. So it's probably the only treatment besides, I suppose, having a full denture where we're actually replacing all of the teeth with one appliance. When all-on-4 bridges are not made correctly, we get a lot of problems. There's actually two main issues with all-on-4 bridges. One is, if there's no metal reinforcement or the acrylic isn't correct, what we see is a lot of fracture. So we see fracture of the actual bridge itself because the bridge just fails or it breaks. The other aspect, of course, is the teeth. And of course, if the teeth are not of the highest quality, we're going to see the same problems. Either the appearance won't look right, or we will get chipping and cracking of the teeth themselves. The other aspect is the fitting surface of the all-on-4, the part that actually touches the gum, that needs to be very, very cleansable. We have to spend as much time making sure that that is perfect as we do with the teeth in the way that the gums actually look from the front. One of the things at Advanced Dental Artistry, we've got an on-site technician, Patrick, basically is involved from the very start of the treatment. So if a patient comes in for all-on-4 treatment, we need to plan the case together. So besides all the digital planning we do with the x-rays and the 3D planning, we also need to plan the smile together with Patrick through digital smile design. But Patrick is involved with the patient throughout the whole process. This is Patrick with one of our patients, and he's just checking a bite here. And this is us actually sitting down together, planning a case. So we're discussing how the patient looks, where the teeth should sit, what type of teeth we're using, what type of acrylic we're using, what type of metal we're using actually on the bridge. This is one of Patrick's all-on-4 bridges, and you can see how beautiful the teeth are. We're using Finara's 2 teeth, which are made in Italy, and you can see that not only do we get beautiful teeth, but we also get beautiful gums. And that's the thing with all-on-4 treatment. We need to ensure that what we're replacing is not only the teeth and the smile, but also making sure that the gums are perfect. I'm actually going to hold an all-on-4 upside down, and one of the things you'll notice in this photo is how smooth and glossy the undersurface of the all-on-4 bridge is. The reason for that is it needs to be very self-cleansable. So this is the surface that actually touches the gum. So it needs to be very, very smooth so that patients can clean it very easily with things like small brushes or the Oxyjet unit, which is like a water spray, because we need to make sure that there's no plaque or no buildup that gets caught under the all-on-4. I want you to remember too that any photo you see on our website is actually a client of Advanced Dental Artistry. They're patients that we've seen. And we've seen so many patients over the last 20 years that we can definitely show you a case that we've completed which is exactly like your case. So if you have any questions, please feel free to give us a ring at 1-800-SMILING. We offer complimentary visits to discuss any of your dental needs. You can also email me at dradrian@adaperth.com.au. I look forward to seeing you in the practice.